If you're a creator, you know the cycle. You post consistently, but your income relies on unpredictable brand deals and shifting ad revenue algorithms. Zokera gives you a way out of that loop. It's a platform where you build a customizable digital storefront, access over 1,000 brand partnerships, and use automated direct messages to drive sales. Before you set this up, you need 3 things: an active social account, a clearly defined niche, and custom profile graphics. When you rely solely on platform algorithms, you are renting your audience's attention. To build a sustainable business, you need to own the system that actually turns that attention into income. Step 1 is creating your account in the Zokera ecosystem. You'll sign up at Zokera.com, fill out your basic profile details, and verify your account to unlock brand access. Next, you need to build trust instantly. Upload a custom profile banner and write a bio that tells visitors exactly what kind of recommendations they will find here. Look at this storefront mockup. A common mistake is trying to sell everything. A clean, professional layout focused entirely on one category, like tech reviews or fitness gear, converts significantly better than a generic, cluttered store. Once your store looks professional, open your brand discovery dashboard. Here, you have direct access to a network of over 1,000 active brand partnerships. Use the category filters to narrow down this massive list. Select only the brands that directly align with this specific niche you defined for your profile. It is tempting to grab links for high-ticket items across random categories to try and maximize your reach, but promoting disjointed products will hurt your conversion rates. Start small. Apply for partnerships with just 3 to 5 highly relevant brands whose products you actually use or genuinely recommend. When your brand partnerships strictly match your content niche, your audience trusts your recommendations. That trust is the primary engine driving your sales. If you rely on telling people to click the link in your bio, you are losing sales. It forces the viewer to navigate away from your video, search your profile, and find the right link. Zokera eliminates that friction with Auto DM. It's an automated system that triggers a direct message whenever someone types a specific keyword in your comments. Here is exactly how the logic works. You post a reel and ask followers to comment a word like skin. As soon as a user comments that keyword, the trigger activates. The system immediately routes the specific product URL directly into that user's private inbox. Because this is fully automated, it runs 24 hours a day, handling hundreds of individual requests while you are sleeping or filming your next video. Delivering the exact link the second a viewer asks for it catches them at their highest point of interest, which turns passive viewers into active buyers. Beyond Instagram, you can embed your Zokera storefront links into your YouTube video descriptions and drop them into Telegram channels to capture high-intent shoppers. Unlike traditional affiliate platforms where only the creator benefits, Zokera has a built-in cashback mechanism for your followers. The transaction forms a complete loop. Your follower makes a purchase through your link, they earn direct cashback on that purchase, and you receive your commission payout. You need to explicitly tell your audience about this benefit in your content. Remind them that shopping through your link actually saves them money. By week 3 and 4, you will have enough data to start making adjustments. Open your performance dashboard to review the numbers. This chart tracks your growth. To scale effectively, monitor 3 specific data points for every product: total clicks, your actual conversion rate, and your net earnings. Take those numbers and apply this protocol. Turn on Auto DM only for your highest converting content, and immediately remove any brands from your store that aren't generating sales. Scaling a creator business requires analyzing performance data and reinforcing the systems that generate revenue, rather than blindly increasing how often you post. You now have a complete system: a niche storefront, curated brand partners, automated direct messages, and a loyalty-building cashback loop. You do not need a massive audience to make this work. A smaller, highly engaged follower base focused on a specific topic will consistently generate revenue when paired with the right products. Click the link in the description below to sign up for Zokera and start building your free storefront today. The creators who will thrive moving forward are the ones who treat their platforms as structured businesses instead of side projects.